Hello, this is Dave again, and let's jump into SAP and get down to the nitty gritty. Now, what I do is I work with three different systems. I work with SAP, I also work with SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, and I work with Power BI. And I'll be using all three of these. All right, so let's dig in. Um, First thing is to set up our environment. I'm not sure if you have SQL Server Studio. You can download Microsoft SQL Server uh, for free from Microsoft. You don't get everything from Microsoft for free, so take advantage of it. We also have I also have Power BI, which I'll be using. Just the latest desktop app. Let me pull everything up onto the screen. So between SQL Server and Power BI, we can get a lot done. All right, so I also have, all right, so I'm assuming you've downloaded your SQL Server and installed your SQL Server and your Power BI. Both fine Microsoft products. When you first set up your SQL Server, it doesn't come with any databases. You have to install them yourself. AdventureWorks I got from Microsoft, and I believe Northwind is also Microsoft. Now, the ECC systems that you see here are SAP, mock SAP ECC systems, but they're not the official ECC system. They're an ECC system that I set up myself just for testing, and they don't even have the full system. It's just the FICO modules that I wanted to be able to test on. But I could show you how I created them. A really quick and easy way to set up a system is through using AI. AI like ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini. But we could go to, let's just try it out here and just say, I am looking to create a SAP ECC 6.0 ERP environment, and I'm looking to test the map the tables in the database and do some testing on the database. So create a CSV file that would replicate the SAP ECC 6.0 ERP and populate it with data that I might find in there from a manufacturing company.
That sounds like a really cool project. To get started, you'll want to focus on some of the core modules in SAP ECC 6.0 that are commonly used in manufacturing, like material management, MM.
Stand, listen. Hold on. Let me try play with this. All right, so just like a woman in real life, she did not uh, help at all. She just started telling me just started bossing me around and telling me what I should do. So I'm gonna type to her because I think that it's just a lot more efficient. Create the mock database, or else she'll just keep talking. We don't want any talking, we need action. All right, let's make a mock database. It simulates what you'll find in the SAP ECC 6.0. Let's sketch out the tables first. You want a sandbox database mimics? Yes. The FICO practice joins across. Yeah, she knows what I'm doing. Okay, so um, just create a fake company that manufactures widgets or some product and populate with data for testing and mapping. So this is how I made the tables and tested it. All right, so business content, core organizational data, master data. Okay, so these are all the table names here. And these are our fields and our data. So I'm gonna again uh, put it in a CSV file and use in SQL Server. After asking numerous times, she will eventually set it up. Oh, and we're getting a Python script. I put it in a CSV file. Look, and then she writes Python. Forget it. Just yes. Create a SQL create database file so I can use it in SQL Server. Asking numerous times, eventually you will get. Well, there we go. Now she's starting. All right, so once this whole thing loads, you you can download it. Aerotech. All right, so yeah, we could download the file. We'll put it desktop. All right, and let me find out what is on my desktop. Um, oh, here it is. Okay, I found it. So now we have our database here. We can insert it into SQL. So just right click at the top, and we just have a new query. Oh, no, okay. Then we'll just have it execute this entire query. No issues found. Yada, yada, yada. Yeah, you got to make sure there's no red here. So, excellent. All right. And refresh it. Hit the database. Boom. Here's our new database here. And it'll have the tables. Hopefully, if she did it right. Yeah. Okay, so these are the tables for the FICO module in ECC and SAP. FICO standing for financial and controlling modules. Those are the main financial and controlling modules in the ECC system, which I believe are carried over as well in the S4, the new S4 HANA system. So we have tables we can use and we can map now. They're going to be off. AI is still in its infancy, but that's a quick and easy way to do that. All right, next step.